Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 23rd of September 2014 market review. Looking at the trades of today, it's called Mondi, code is MND. Last traded price was 195 Rand. The action is to trade it short from a high to a low. Entry level will be at 195 Rand and 11 cents on the dotted blue line here. The target will be on the green line here of 189 Rand and 7 cents. Stop loss to be used is 198 Rand and 13 cents. Current open trades for the day is MTN. It was a sell. Entry level is 256 and currently trading 248. Barloworld is also entry level, and PSG. Looking at the top 40 index of the South African markets, the blue line is trading underneath the 5-day moving average and the 20-day moving average on the grey lines here. Looking at the industrials, Dow Jones of the American markets, Monday evening they closed 107 points down after the high of Friday of 17,279 points. Currently trading here close to the level of 17,172 points after losing 107 points. Home sales figures of America was disappointed, and that was also a major cause of the markets coming down. There was also speculation of China's manufacturing data that's going to be worse than expected, and the data came out this morning better than expected. Looking at ALSI 40, the J200, you will basically see sideways trading happened here, and it actually went down back to the level of 45,244 points. Big concern currently in the market is Rand and dollar sitting at 11.12, and the gold is sitting at 1,219 points. Also take note that America airstrikes started to follow and attacking Syria at this moment, so there's a bit of a volatility as well there before tomorrow's public holiday. Japan has also got a public holiday today. Downward movement happened, and it was close to the level of 45,244 points, coming down there. Looking at some of our retailers, Shoprite didn't break that middle green line upwards. It actually came down a lot yesterday, testing the previous low of about 142. Current low to be tested is about 141. Mr. Price also came down a lot, as you can see, coming down, testing the middle Bollinger Band here in the middle. Woolies also lost a bit of value in a sideways pattern. Currently high is 73 Rand, current low is about 71 Rand. At any time for breaks to 71 Rand, next low could have expectations close here to the 66 Rand level in the short term. Looking at your banking shares, also lost a lot of value, came down to the level of 158.52, especially Barclays Bank. Standard Bank also lost a lot of value from the 140 levels, currently trading here at 136, also coming down, high, low, high, lower, high, and expectation low could be back here to the 134, but we need to see where the sideways movement will go. Imperial also lost a lot of value, coming a lot down here to the 171 Rand levels. Next expectation is just under the 168 to 169 levels. Looking at your telecommunication shares, yesterday came down, they were above the 254 level, coming down here back to the 248 level, and there's a small head and shoulder pattern here. So the big question is, will you test this levels and go higher, or will this now be the start of a breakdown on this specific share? Vodacom also formed this head and shoulder pattern we spoke about. There's the legs, there's the shoulder, there's the head, there's the shoulder. So next expectation goes back to the 125 levels on this specific trade. Keep note, Wednesday is a public holiday for South Africa. Today is Japan. A lot of volatility. Watch the market rather out and wait for Thursday's morning's opening before you want to enter the market or look at the market. Enjoy your trading.